Welcome to the Prompt Circle, where we discuss everything AI. We focus on how AI can help you in your daily lives to boost your productivity. Now, the buzz is everywhere. ChatGPT just made a public showing and is currently all the rave. But what is really powering this powerful AI model that has taken the world by storm? In this video, we dig into the GPT model and how it is already powering some exciting applications and some of the things that you can actually use it to do today. So what is GPT? GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a deep learning tool that provides human-like text by predicting tokens. Essentially what it does is that it predicts what the next text, sentence, or paragraph should be based on all of the data it's been trained on. The larger the text it has been trained on, the more potential for it to produce unbelievably smart text. OpenAI came up with the idea of GPT and produced one of its original papers. Now, one of the key differences between GPT and other AI models is that it can be trained with no human supervision. Essentially, this makes it really fast and cheap to train. GPT has been trained on billions of texts from books, website pages, millions of lines of code. Think of it this way. GPT has probably read almost all the books out there. This means it's quite knowledgeable about just about anything. While it has read most things, there's still things that it hasn't been trained on, like internal documents or other proprietary content. But GPT also comes with the ability to easily train or add additional content. Now, this process is called fine-tuning. GPT is currently in its third version, known as GPT-3, which is the most powerful model so far. This model also powers the ChatGPT application, which is making all the rave today. As of the time of making this video, the latest version of GPT-3 has been trained with data up to December 2021, but ChatGPT has been trained with data up to December 2022. So how does the model really work? Well, it's pretty simple. You provide a prompt in plain English and it simply carries out the task. As an example, I can say, write a product description about a bike, and with that simple prompt, GPT will produce a very intelligently written product description. But product descriptions are just only scratching the surface of what can be done with GPT-3. Here are some other tasks that can be performed using GPT-3. Okay, first off is summarizing information to get key insights. You can provide a long article and ask GPT to summarize it for you. Alright, so let's take a look at an example. Here we are asking GPT to summarize this piece of article. We can also provide some context about what we expect the summarization to look like. As an example, we could say, explain it to a 5-year-old. That's pretty neat. Next up is detecting sentiment, tone, or any contextual information from a piece of text. As an example, you can ask GPT to look at a bunch of tweets and provide the sentiment or tone that the tweet has been written in. GPT is able to process that and provide that information immediately. This one is pretty cool because there are entire AI models that are dedicated to doing this, but GPT does this very easily without much fuss. We already talked about generating product descriptions, but we're seeing GPT crush essays, blog articles, and other advanced write-ups. We've also seen GPT be used in translating from one language to another. Another exciting piece of GPT is using it as a question and answer application, because GPT is very good at having intelligent and sometimes even deep conversations about virtually any topic, ranging from philosophy to science. GPT as a chat client can sustain conversations that can be likened to a human. Finally, a very super special power of GPT is its ability to explain and write code. This is my personal favorite and has made my day-to-day life really much more productive. While ChatGPT is all the rave, there are a lot of companies already using GPT to power some exciting applications today. Applications like Jasper.ai are using GPT to power copywriting, and a lot of marketing teams are embracing the opportunity to increase their efficiency in copywriting, generating ad captions, product descriptions, web copy, and even blog articles. Duolingo uses GPT to correct French language translations, and of course, like I said before, my personal favorite, the ability to use GitHub Copilot as a pair programmer would help you write better code, synthesize whole lines of code, and provide even descriptions about your code. Applications like Notion are bringing GPT for completions, which is going to be truly special. I'm waiting for that one. I am currently on the waitlist. You can join in the waitlist for Notion if you are a user of Notion. Now, go check this out for yourself. Sign up for ChatGPT. I've put a link in the description for it. Or you can also go directly to OpenAI's website and go to the playground to see some of these examples I already discussed. Something truly special is brewing with these advancements in AI. They have been swift and quite accelerated, and I can't wait to talk more about how you can use this in your day-to-day life to increase your productivity. So stay tuned to this channel and look out for more content like this. If you really like this content, please drop a like for us and also subscribe. Thank you and catch you next time.